Hello Kema Smashers! We were here at RS Power Smash Badminton Court at Bacolod City. Sumali ang grupo ng Greater Lagro Badminton members for Ice Badminton Challenge 2024. And to ease the heat, we stayed at the Kubo in front of the RS court. And around 8 a.m. they started the game. Inside the stadium, we feel the heat, even there's a available first player, Sound and Shine. And Jace. Intense ang mga laro since nakadalawang winner and then one loss. I wish dito si Lindan and Lee Chungwei. They were my idol that aggressive player, a tactic defense player. So, ayan na nga, nagsimula na ang lower level. And abangan din natin yung mga paparating pa ang lalakas. Like legendary players here or the players from different universities. So this is my first time to watch the Ice Badminton Challenge, and hopefully by next year I will join also. Here goes the two players of Greater Lagro, Kit and Renz, fighting to both of you. If you've never played badminton outside of physical education class, you won't understand how difficult this sport is. Their sportsmanship actually appeals to my without an exchange. Still watching this sport until I played it. Their speed, reaction time, agility, stamina, and precision is just unbelievable. Work on your defensive skill, fast gameplay, trick shots, and always being positive, and also hardworking. I got the chills. Listening to
Lucky and Marcy, Adrian, and Edward, please proceed to court 3.
Number 4, Miss Gomez, level 61, Joe and Dirty versus Kyle and Hansen. Court number 6, Miss Gomez, level 62, we covered versus Kyle and Rob.
Please proceed to court 4. On court 5, men's doubles level E.